Namaste and welcome to Himalayan Yoga Association YouTube channel. I am Saurabh and thank you for joining me for today's class. Today we will be learning about two more asanas of Ashtanga which we will learn. Tomorrow we have done Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana and Parshva Sanhita, Ek Padasana and Ardha Padmottanasana. Now we will go forward and we will try two more asanas of the day. Let's begin. So stand up on your mat. We will start with sun salutations. Remember, whenever you will start your class, any asanas, you have to just to warm up first. Okay. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Joint your both palms up. Make namaste. Look at your thumb. 2 exhale, forward down. 3 inhale, look front. 4 exhale, jump back, chaturanga. 5 inhale. 6 exhale, downward dog. Hold 1, deep breathe in, deep breathe out. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bend your knees, jump front. Sudasa exhale, forward down. Sapdasa inhale, exhale, Samastiti. Second round, Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, Trini inhale, Chatvari exhale, jump back, Pancha inhale, Sat exhale, again hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Sapta, bend your knees, jump front. Ashtu exhale, Nava inhale, come up and exhale Samastiti. So this is sun salutation A. We have done 2 rounds. You have to at least do 5 rounds. Okay, second sun salutation B. Ekam inhale, Utkatasana. 2 exhale, Uttanasana. 3 inhale, Urdhuttanasana. Chatvari, press your palms, exhale, jump back, chaturanga. Pancha inhale. Sat exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto exhale. Nava inhale. Dasa exhale. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front. Dwadasa exhale. Triyodasa inhale. Chaturdasa exhale. Again hold 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bend your knees, jump front. Exhale, flee forward down. Sabdasa inhale, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samastiti. So this is sun salutation B. You can do almost 5 rounds and you can just do 3 rounds of sun salutation B and do 3 rounds of Veerbhadrasana A. You can also try Veerbhadrasana B. When you will go for like this, you have to make Veerbhadrasana B. You can also do Veerbhadrasana C. One leg after coming, you have to come in Veerbhadrasana C. So you can put some asanas, but you have to do sun salutation 5 rounds. It's very important. After that, our today's first asana is Utkatasana. How we will go in Utkatasana? Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up. 2 exhale. 3 inhale. Chatvari, press your palms, exhale, jump back, chaturanga. Pancha inhale. Sat exhale. Sapta, bend your knees, jump front into Utkatasana, chair pose. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, press your palms, lift up and jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. So after Utkatasana, our next pose is Veerbhadrasana A and B. We have to do it together. So bring your right leg between your both palms, drop your left heel down, inhale, raise your arms up for Virabhadrasana. Remember, you have to make sure you have to make 90 degree. You have to make 90 degree from your front leg, okay? And back knee should be straight. Push your pelvis down, square your hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, change left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open. Virabhadrasana B, left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press your palms. Jump back. Make ek Padma asana and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. If you cannot make one leg crow pose, you can just go like this without doing, just jump back. Then upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, shake your legs. Deep inhale, deep exhale. So these are the 2 asanas which we have done today of Ashtanga. So if you are like adding the two asanas daily in your like Ashtanga, do one thing, always repeat the previous asanas as well, and try to add another two more daily. But if you like go for next asanas and you will not repeat back asanas which we have done, then like you will forget as well, and you will not able to do it properly. So regular practice is important. So if you are adding two asanas, like I am telling that we are doing two asanas daily after one day, one by one. So repeat the previous asanas as well, and then add another 2 asanas daily to your Ashtanga series. Adding is very important evenly, but doing previous asanas is also very important. So remember that you have to do, repeat and add more. You have to repeat and add more daily. So one day you can just do your full series in, I think so, 1.5 hours we can do our full series. So just try to add 2 more asanas and repeat. So guys, this is enough for today. We will meet again tomorrow with few more asanas of our Ashtanga series, and please like and subscribe our channel, YouTube channel Himalayan Yoga Association, and please press the bell icon for more yoga videos. Namaste.